Hi everyone, I just got this brand new Retrolife high-tech belt-driven turntable system and I am super excited to test it out. It has so many amazing features. It's going to help you play your vinyl, play your records perfectly, beautifully. It has amazing sound and I am going to show you everything that's inside the box and we're going to set it up and test it out. So this is just a little bit of the box on the outside. It talks about the anti-skating system. It has 2 different speeds to perfectly interpret your vinyl. It can adjustably track everything as well. And one of my favorite features is that it does have a Bluetooth capability. So that's kind of mixing the new modern things with old classics like vinyl. You can actually set up Bluetooth speakers and connect them to play even better, but you don't need that actually. You can just use the record player itself. So here's just a little bit more on the outside of the box, some information about the magnetic stylus, the anti-skating system again, and how that works. It has a ton of different little features, and I'm gonna open it up, set it up, and show you guys how it works, and we'll test it out. All right, so I took everything out of the box and unwrapped it. Everything was wrapped in this kind of plastic bags, packed really well, so it was flawless upon opening. And you can see there's a bunch of different pieces, so there is a little bit of assembly that is required. You do have to take off some of these little twisty ties and put a few of the pieces together. But here is some of the cords that it came with. It came with the outlet cord. We have this plug as well, so it looks like a USB with an outlet as well. There's a few pieces that we will need to install. This looks like the balance right here that's going to make sure that your arm is well calibrated. And there was also this lid right here. So this lid is going to go onto this and clip on to keep dust from your records and keep everything completely working well and dust free. So it also did come with a manual, so I'm going to take a look at that manual and get everything aligned and get it running, and we'll try it out. So I did just want to give you a close-up view of this part of the installation. So when I put the turntable on, there was a little piece of red ribbon right here, and you put this on and put the red ribbon, you pull it, and there's this little belt right there that you can see, that black belt, and that belt needs to go around this little piece, and that is going to be what will spin your turntable and spin it nicely. So once you have put the counterweight on the back part over here, you do want to balance the tone arm. So you're gonna take this out of the little holder right here and put it over, and you can see, let me get a better view here. You can see how it kind of falls down right now. So you don't want it to really fall down. You want it to kind of have a neutral position. So all you need to do is just twist this tone arm until it has a nice level neutral position. And once you achieve that, then the record player is ready to go. So now that I have the turntable completely set up and the arm is calibrated, I put the lid on as well. That was just a simple clip that you had to install. And then I plugged in the outlet in the back. So you can plug in the outlet. Also, you want to choose between phono and line depending on if you have a phono speaker or not, or if you're just using one with a regular in-out line. And then you can connect that either through Bluetooth or just with the cord that it comes with. You do want to flip it on, of course, instead of being off. And then once you have everything set up and your speaker connected, you just turn it to start. You do want to set either the 45 or 33 depending on, 45 or the 33 depending on what type of record you have that will adjust the speed and the way the record is spinning. So then you put the record on, you're going to put the arm on top and let it play. So it was pretty easy to set this up. I'm pretty new to vinyl and turntables in general, but this one was very straightforward to use, really cool, super crisp sound. I love the fact that you can use a Bluetooth speaker or any speaker option that you have, and it looks beautiful on the table as well. So I would definitely recommend this turntable.